MMC is healthcare marketing on steroids. The healthcare industry is in a death spiral begging for a lifeline. Chuck Thompson and his team at MMC have seen this scenario play out twice before in two other industries. And in both instances, they have been able to revolutionize those industries, specializing in penetrating untapped, difficult-to-reach segments of markets by identifying, engaging, and locking up long-term relationships with consumers who have disposable income with innovative, no-risk self-funding member-patient acquisition campaigns is exactly what MMC does and is exactly what healthcare providers need. Chuck founded MMC in 1991, and in 15 years, Chuck and his team worked with over 500 health clubs, sold over 500,000 health club memberships, raised more than $125 million in upfront cash, and have been directly responsible for over $250 million in back-end revenue for their health club clients. If you have purchased a health club membership in the past 20 years, there is a good chance Chuck Thompson's fingerprints are on it. HealthClubMarketingMMC.com. Problem: health club owners struggled to stay afloat in the 1990s because there was too much inventory, health clubs and gyms to choose from, and not enough demand, health and fitness conscious consumers. The aerobic explosion in the 1980s drove entrepreneurs to open a health club on every corner. Solution: Chuck built a consumer profile using psychographics, lifestyles, habits, purchase patterns to identify casual users. The deconditioned consumer, affectionately coined as the couch potatoes, with an interest in health and fitness, which was an untapped, difficult-to-reach segment, overlooked market. Chuck then engineered a marketing campaign specifically designed to engage those consumers with an offer to get them to take immediate action. Chuck knew with owners already suffering financially, he needed to design the campaign to be no risk for the business owner by ensuring all funds necessary to launch the campaign would be generated by the campaign, hence requiring no upfront fees, which is exactly what he did. Chuck Thompson authored a book detailing the process of the campaign, titled Affordable Health and Fitness: The Business of Health and Fitness, available on Amazon. Product number 06927-63449. Chuck noticed the same scenario was soon to play out in the golf industry at the turn of the century, and in late 2005 opened MMC's golf division. Since launching their first campaign in January 2006, MMC has worked with more than 250 golf courses, sold over 325,000 golf memberships, and raised more than $65 million in upfront cash, and have been directly responsible for over $195 million in back-end revenue for their golf course clients. If you have purchased a golf course membership in the past 10 years, there is a good chance Chuck Thompson's fingerprints are on it. GolfMarketingMMC.com. Problem: golf exploded in the 1990s, and developers couldn't build golf courses fast enough. But at the turn of the century, golf courses were going under faster than one of Tiger Woods' putts. Chuck saw the same scenario play out in the golf industry as it had in the health club industry. That is, too much inventory, open tee times at numerous courses, and not enough demand, golfers. Solution: once again, Chuck built a consumer profile using psychographics, lifestyles, habits, purchase patterns to identify casual users, casual and non-golfers, with an interest in golf, which was an untapped, difficult-to-reach, overlooked portion of the market. Chuck then engineered a marketing campaign specifically designed to engage those consumers with an offer to get them to take immediate action. Just as in the health club industry, Chuck knew with course owners already suffering financially, he needed to design a campaign to be no risk for the business owner by ensuring all funds necessary to launch the campaign would be generated by the campaign, hence requiring no upfront fees, which is exactly what he did. Once again, Chuck designed a marketing concept that identified, engaged, and locked up long-term relationships with the hard-to-reach market, casual and non-golfers, that is, consumers who have recently purchased within the golf category. With MMC's proprietary profile, extensive knowledge and experience in membership marketing and sales, they were able to penetrate an untapped market which had been overlooked by the industry experts. Chuck Thompson authored a book detailing the campaign, titled Golf: The Untapped Market: Why the Pros Are Failing to Grow the Game, available on Amazon. Product number 0692862269. In short, since 1991, Chuck and his team at MMC have sold over 825,000 memberships, raised over $190 million in upfront cash, and over $445 million in back-end revenue for a total of over $635 million in revenue for our partnering health clubs and golf courses. MMC can make an enormous impact on the healthcare industry, providing a sustainable, no-risk, self-funding solution to affordable healthcare while drastically increasing immediate cash flow and long-term revenue streams for healthcare providers. MMC's program will make healthcare, including preventive care, affordable for all Americans. Make working in the healthcare industry financially rewarding for all. Eliminate the red tape that slows up payments of doctors. Doctors will collect cash upfront and have numerous back-end revenue streams. Puts more control back in the patient's and doctors' hands. Lighten doctors' patient caseload, which will allow doctors to be more engaged with their patients' customers and provide better care. The customer patient will be able to choose their doctor, not be forced to drive across town to see a doctor in a network chosen by an insurance company. MMC has a proven track record of growing not only businesses in two completely unrelated industries, but revolutionizing the entire industries themselves with Chuck's innovative marketing strategies. MMC's programs are a win-win for everyone involved. Both the golf and health club industries have adopted Chuck's model. Millions and millions of consumers have been able to join a health club and/or golf course, which would have otherwise been nearly impossible. The owners of these businesses penetrated untapped segments of their markets, identified by MMC, and have been able to lock up long-term relationships with free-spending casual users, increasing back-end revenue by as much as 500%, as well as bring in hundreds of thousands of dollars in upfront cash collected at the point of purchase. The bottom line is, Chuck is looking for smart partners, not dumb money, and preferably partners who have a background in the healthcare space. MMC knows how to build, market, and sell the product to the public. The challenge is, MMC is a mom-and-pop company compared to what is needed to scale this model immediately. MMC has done all the work, research, and invested the capital into making this division of MMC a turnkey investment opportunity, with no downside for the right partners. The proof of concept is in MMC's enormous success in the golf and health and fitness industries. Identifying, engaging, and locking up long-term relationships with casual users who have disposable income. Chuck's knowledge, experience, and innovative marketing strategies positions MMC as the perfect go-to company to acquire low-maintenance customers' patients for healthcare providers. In fact, MMC's customers over the past 26 years are the perfect demographic for healthcare providers. MMC's targeted customers' patients pay the most and require the least attention, balancing out the patient caseload while balancing out the books. If you are interested in revolutionizing the healthcare industry, give Chuck a call at one of the following numbers: 904-638-3856, 904-217-3762, 877-620-8135, 904-307-6736, or email him at chuck@mmctoday.com. Let's make healthcare providers obscenely wealthy, while we make healthcare affordable for all Americans.